Hey y'all, I have a new video for you guys today, and it is barbecue ribs, just a cheat or faster version of ribs. So I start with 7 pounds of pork ribs. You can use beef ribs if you want. So I started with 2 bone-in at first when I was cutting it, but I realized they were too big, so I went with 1 bone-in. Just cut up all of your ribs. Then season your ribs, and the measurements are 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, and half tablespoon of paprika. I'll have all of this listed in the description box so that it makes it easier for you guys. So just make sure everything is coated with your season, and then layer them onto the sheet pan here like you see me doing. And then I'll just cover the ribs and set them aside for about 30 minutes to an hour to let the ribs marinate while I prepare the sauce. So that's just about a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I blended the vegetables and then just put them in the oil to fry. I cook that on medium heat for about 5 minutes, just till it's succulent. I put the ribs in the oven, by the way, on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Once the ribs are cooked, I pour the liquid from the ribs into the sauce that I started, and then just add 2 pieces of small beef flavored maggi, and add 2 cups of already made barbecue sauce. At this point, both sauces are already cooked, so I just stir them together till they're fully mixed, and then pour the sauce over the beef. Mix it together very well, and then put the beef back into the oven on the same 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 5 minutes just to get it nicely coated. This one is so easy to make, guys, and this is it. Once it's coated, I serve it with whatever starch you want to serve with it on the side and some vegetables, and you got yourself a really nice meal. I hope you like this, and don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.